It's not given, and women have also realized that it's not given, and that's why women are working hard to ensure that they emerge. Now, when you talk about issue of knocking, whether they are knocking hard enough, women are really knocking. It's about who is at the other end of the door to open the door for that door to be opened. So you have a situation whereby, you know, before the last election, there were these 5 bills, the constitutional amendment that didn't scale through. Then you need to look at what are the numbers, because when you talk about issues about democracy, you're also looking at numbers. Women, we have the numbers, but the capacity to be able to take over the seat depends on who is sitting at the decision table. What is the number of women who are sitting as political leaders in our different political parties compared to the population of women who are members there? For instance, the major opportunity that you have, or major role that is given to women that is very prominent in political parties, is even the woman leader. There was even a situation whereby a political party in a part of the north of the country had fielded a man as the woman leader of a political party in this country. We saw the posters. The person was campaigning for that election to be held, that he will be fielded as the woman leader. And there's also a situation where you have that mentality where people feel that the woman leader should only be responsible for the welfare of the community. It wasn't until recently that you now have the reorientation of people to understand that the way you call the male my leader, you also should be able to call the woman my leader. She's a woman leader. She's not an appendage to the executive. She has her equal rights as an executive of that community. So when it comes to issues of knocking, women are knocking. Women are beginning to support themselves. In the past, they say women are the ones who kill themselves, who do that. The narrative has to change. Now you see the problem we have is that you have a woman who is a leader in a political party. She's trying to make her beat. She's trying to make knock, as we say. You have all of the male leaders of the political party either going to meet her father, her brother, or her husband to say, this woman she's becoming too stubborn. She's doing this. You need to calm her down so that this can happen. So you have a lot of that happening. But when it comes to the issue of knocking, we are really knocking, and soon we'll get to that.